How's it going, guys? Adam Giovanni back into the OnlineBookClub.org video for this Thursday. Now today I'm talking to you about something a little bit different. We're talking about social media. Now this isn't just relevant to authors, it's relevant to anyone out there who's thinking about getting on social media. So I've come up with 3 reasons why you should join social media, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, whatever it may be, there's pros to joining. Now this video is a bit general. In future videos, we'll dive a little bit deeper into the individual social media platforms and talk about them one-on-one. But the first reason I think you should join social media is you can get yourself out there. No matter what business you're in, whether you're an entrepreneur, you're an artist, you're a musician, if you want to get your work out there, social media is a free billboard to doing so. So you're taking the content and the things that you post and you're putting them out there in the world and you're connecting to all these potential people for free. You're not having to pay for signing up for these social media platforms. So one, it's a free billboard to push out whatever you want to push out there. Whatever your heart desires to get out into the world, you're allowed to do that through social media. Now, number 2, networking. Now, not just networking when it comes to business, but you can make so many new friends, so many new relationships, and you can build these relationships through the internet. Facebook literally allows you to go to any place in the world, go to any person in the world, see who's friends with these people, see where these people are located, if they're close to you, if they have similar interests, and you could find these friends and build these relationships. Even if it's work related and you're looking to network with someone at a different company, you can do that through Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Social media lets you find people that are like you or have similar interests to you so you could build those relationships. And it's also extremely easy. Usually without social media you'd have to go to different events and these different mixers and you'd have to kind of meet people that way. Now people are finding their future wives and husbands using different dating apps. The swipe of a finger you can meet someone. Social media does have a lot of pros, not only when it comes to meeting someone maybe as a significant other, but also just making friends and networking and putting yourself out there to meet new people. So 1, you could put out whatever you want to put out into the world. 2, you can meet new people and build these relationships. And the last reason I think you should join social media, it's kind of like a personal photo album in a timeline of your life. So if you go to like Facebook or you go to Instagram and you scroll the way down, you could kind of see where you were when you started, whether it be 5 years ago or 2 months ago, and see all the content and the pictures you posted and kind of keep track of where you were in your life at that point. A lot of people have photo albums, they upload things to their computer and they have all these different folders, but social media, you could kind of, with one push of the finger, you can go back and see everything you've done in the last 2 years. And certain social media platforms like Facebook help you categorize certain things like, oh, here's your wedding anniversary from 3 years ago. It kind of helps you remember these important events in your life. Not only from a business perspective or a networking perspective or putting yourself out there, it also could be really personal by creating this kind of photo album timeline of your life. Those are 3 reasons I think you should join social media. Whether it's Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, get on them, join away, it's free. I'm telling you, it'll be a great decision for you. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and like our Facebook page for videos every single Thursday. From OnlineBookClub.org, I'm Adam Giovanni, and I will see you next Thursday.